Boy, brother, you're there so I talk. And I know me I pray. My life much better, you know. I know me I start miss shirt. All the next one too. They are talk about you want this or you want that figure. Hey, I want this. Come like you're a joker. Hey, no make one reach me reach you, Eh? No make one reach me reach you with the teacher, you know, vicious. Yeah, vicious, you hear me? I warn you. As a brother to a brother. You know for the right now, but you not carry go airport. That one good woman who can help you take care of business and make sure so you think active all when you go and all about go and do whatever you want to do. And you there start talk but you not bring her go airport. You must be dopey. A real talk you make still in a... Hold on, what? John, after 3. Babe. Where you there now? Aye. Nearly! Let's come on, my dog!
Yeah, be a forward, man. Be a forward. Hold on.
Kid speed, you know?
Yeah.
Yo,
You good?
Yeah, man, everything good, man. I just yes, me there for the little yes.
You just alright?
Never better. Yes,
Oh.
man.
I wonder how me see man around, brother.
A Christmas coming in March.
How am I around go?
A airport man around going to whisper.
Airport?
Everything can joke me, me you go in a car and you go try catch him. You never catch him back.
Yeah, it maker. I be probably talk to me now. Wagwan, talk to me straight.
Sure, I go foreign to them, man. So I'm going to catch her at the airport.
Oh, you know that ever say, brother. So how come on him a carrier?
In there, I go and chat. And I go and like say, I want to bring her to the airport. Then he look on his phone and say, I need 3 times to go to the airport. Like, I can see my beer, so.
Oh. Are you me come link still? Need to have a talk.
John, no. You know, say, you know what you want to talk to me about.
What going with you and Butcher?
And I with me and Butcher, you know. I with Butcher alone.
It maker. Remember me I have a reason. And I tell you, anything at all will happen. Whole on are going in the same shoes.
A size 10 Butcher wear and I wear a size 8 whisper. Butcher shoes can't go fit me, but I got turn up in my own shoes. Remember, say you talk to me. I not forgot.
What am I on?
Look like the man that expect war. They might make preparation.
So you know anybody in or nothing?
Not that I know of. I mean, normally know most of the things them are going about, yeah.
So when you say I make preparation, what do you mean? You must start an army or I get artillery?
This for you know, no matter what still, you know, I still my dog. So I don't want to say too much.
Brother, you see if you're a dog, make sure you lock him in your yard. If you see anybody in bite, the owner get charged too.
Whisper, every man have a mind of them own. But one thing I gotta tell you, you see from today, you see anything at all where you not pray him. You see if you want to find me, any hour, any minute, any time. Out just up on the front, sell the bead them, and I go and do my thing.
You see the way you talk, shows that something serious go down between the two of them. But hear me I say, you see if you can turn your back on him, that means it's bad. You see if we check him out and he's not straight, he's either behind the bars or down at the mark. That's how much you know.
Well, every man have a right to decide them own destiny.